over to your girl Jory and your boy Meg Malel. Y'all niggas think y'all can fuck with a real bitch like me? You heard? Nah, for real, y'all think y'all can fuck with this bitch. Word. Hey, if y'all think y'all got what it takes, let's do this shit. Nah, for real, let's do this shit. Cause y'all know Jory ain't got no time, no time, baby.
Holla at me.
My twin, my life, what the fuck is going on? People always got something funny to say. I wasn't rich, I wasn't poor, trying to make a nickel or a dime turn to a dollar bill, y'all. I ain't got no time to be dealing with no BS. That bitch acting like she shady, crazy, lazy, so maybe I'd be like, nah, hell nah. Yeah, I'm just trying to make this money right, trying to live my life now. I ain't got no time now. Yeah, I'm just trying to make this money right, trying to live my life now. I ain't got no time now. My mother always told me, stay positive, this life is a game. Know how to control it. Miss Jory, job bless on the lane, sipping lane. Niggas wanna act green. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, what the fuck is going on? Bitches talking, bitches wanna be like me, like Stevie Joe say. Watch me do my money dance. Bitches ain't shit, niggas are dicks. You got something to say, bitch, say it to my clique. Oh, Miss Jory, job bless, bitch. Oh, Miss Jory, job bless, trick. Real niggas talk about hands and bands. Fake niggas talk about brands of game. Oh, Miss Jory, job bless, bitch. Oh, Neg my leg on the track, trick. You heard what I said,
bitch. Down here, shit is really bad. So I look up, tryna see what's up, God. 7 days at work just to get my bread up. Like word up, I want my money in stacks, bundles, chain drugs. What's up with that coke, boys? I got the tree, the flower, let's get that dough, man. Not really my dough, man. Dope man, old man, call me snowman. If you a broke nigga, you a nobody. Nobody fucks with you. Once you got money, everybody cool with you. They wanna be friendly, you everybody friends with. Meg Malel, I'm a black nigga, I'm a hot nigga, I'm a hot nigga. And I'ma show you already know I'm that nigga, huh? Whoop whoop.